Are you a compliance officer or cannabis professional struggling to grow your business, remain compliant, and stay on top of the ever-changing laws and regulations, all while training your team to ensure you all move as one cohesive unit without putting the exhausting 15-hour days? Well, this video is for you. Hey, I'm Bree. If you don't know me already, I'm a cannabis compliance expert and I consult with leaders, professionals, and other consultants in the cannabis space to help them build stronger compliance teams with established protocols, decrease employee turnover, and make more money. For the past 9 years, I have been working with licensed operators, compliance officers, and consultants to help them implement an efficient operation while staying within the regulatory framework that protects and scales their business without working 7 days a week. Over this time, I've built, implemented, and perfected my proven 4-step method in hundreds of cannabis businesses across the country for dispensaries, growers, extractors, and distributors who want to have an efficient, compliant operations in their business that decreases employee turnover, saving the business time and effort, and you guessed it, make the business more money. If you want a direct path to success in building your compliance program without risking your licensed business in as little as 4 months, click the button below to register for my free 1-hour live workshop, where I will step you through my exact blueprint on how to implement a compliance program in as little as 4 months. A roadmap that took me 3 years to perfect before scaling into licensed cannabis businesses across the country. This live workshop is specifically for compliance officers, operations managers, business owners, and consultants who want to build, scale, and train their entire team to ensure your business moves as one cohesive unit, protecting your business from violations and audits. Please hear me out. If you are a consultant, employee, or owner of a seed-to-sale technology solution such as a point of sale or ERP, this training is not for you. Do not register. Once when you register for the live event workshop, if you're anyone besides that, you will receive a confirmation and a few reminder emails before the event. If you are unable to make the live event, you will receive a replay of the workshop. If you want to build, scale, and train your compliance program with your team within 4 months, click the button below. See you on the other side.